Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. Our question is f of x plus 2 over x minus 2 is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4 over 8x. Then what's the value of f of x? So let's start. We have a different technique to solve this kind of question, and we use a technique which is clay molding technique. So let's start. In this technique, we replace x by x plus 2. Why we do this? What is our purpose for doing this? Because our goal is to make a denominator this x. So that is why we replace x by x plus 2. If we do this, then the denominator will become a x. So we replace x by x plus 2 in both sides. So this will become a f of, this is a x, so we replace x by x plus 2, and this is a plus 2, and in the denominator this is a x is x plus 2 and minus 2. Now look at the right hand side, this is a x square, so this will become a x plus 2 whole square plus 4x will become a 4 into x plus 2 plus 4. Now the denominator is 8 and the x is x plus. Now look at the left hand side, this will become a f of x plus 4, and plus 4 and minus 4 will cancel, we just get a x. And this is the x plus 2 whole square, so this will become a x square plus 4 plus 4x, and now in the next step multiply this 4 by this value. This will become a plus 4x multiply 4 by 2, we get a 8 plus 4, and the denominator multiply 8 by x, we get a 8x, and multiply 8 by 2, we get a 16. Now look at the left hand side, we can write this as a f of x over x plus 4 over x, and the right hand side, to solve a nominator, this will become a 4x plus 4x is 8x. Add a constant, we get a 16 divided by 8x plus 16. Now in the next step, we cancel this x and x, we get a 1 plus 4 over x. And this, we copy the right hand side, x square plus 8x plus 16 over 8x plus 16. Now in the next step, we replace x by 4 over x, because our goal is to make this term as a x. So that is why we replace x by 4 over x. So this will become a f of 1 plus 4 over, and x is 4 over x. X is 4 over x, so this will become a 4 over x whole square plus 8x will become a x is 4 over x plus 16 over 8x, replace x by 4 over x, so this will become a 4 over x multiply 8 plus 16. Now in the next step, this 4 and 4 will cancel, and this term will become a just x. So this is 1 plus x, it's equal to 4 over x whole square is equal to 16 over x square, and 8 4s are 32 over x plus 16. The denominator multiply 8 by 4 over x, we get a 32 over x plus 16. Now look at the right hand side, we multiply and divide this by x square on x square and x square. Multiply 16 over x square by x square, we just get a 16 plus x square by 32 over x, we get a 32x plus multiply 16 over x square, we get a 16x square. Now look at the denominator, multiply x square by this term, we just get a 32x plus multiply x square by 16, we get a 16x square, and the left hand side is f of 1 plus x. 16 involved in all terms, so we factor out, this will become a 16, and this is 1 plus divided 32x by 16, we get a 2x, plus divided 16x square by 16, we get x square. And look at the denominator, 16. If we factor out, divided 32x by 16, we get a 2x, plus divided 16x square by 16, we get a x square. This 16 and 16 will cancel. Now look at the remaining value. This is the formula of 1 plus x whole square. And now look at the denominator, x involved in these two terms, so we factor out this will become a just 2, plus an x square will become a x, and the left hand side is f of 1 plus x. Now in the next step, we just find the value of f of x. So in the next step, we replace x by x minus 1. So this will become a f of 1 plus x is x minus 1. So this will become a 1 plus x is x minus 1 whole square, and the denominator we replace a x by x minus 1, and this is a 2 plus x is x minus 1. So this 1 and minus 1 will cancel, we just get a f of x. This 1 and 1 cancel, we just get a, this will become a x square. And look at the denominator, x minus 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 plus x. Here we use the identity. As we know, a minus b multiply a plus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. So we apply this identity in denominator. This will become a x square minus 1. This is the required answer of f of x. So in our question, f of x is equal to x square over x square minus 1. So we have done. Thank you.